Okay.
Hey, you guys.
Hops.
This is the thing on Hops. You hear me? This is the name of the place.
Hops. The
Right
food.
here on second row, next to Soy Post Office at Soy 13.
Beach Road.
Right off of Beach Road. So Soy 13, between Soy 13 1, Soy 13 2. We call that Soy Post Office. Look here.
Excellent margarita.
This food is excellent. The service.
Pizza is good.
The
Yeah.
service
The pasta
is
is
tremendous.
finished.
And they make, and so far so good, they make the best margaritas I've tasted. And look here, they make their beer
Cold brew.
right here. Okay? And at night when you come, you get serenaded by the band. And so we just came
But
in.
now we come too early because we're hungry.
We were starving.
Never.
I had to do a presentation and I had to talk for a lot of times, so I didn't get to eat. That's why, oh yeah, you guys participate in the Marju Bar.
Maju, right?
Marju Bar on Soy Bacau. Okay, you guys. The owner's name is Dante. He's an excellent host. He can direct you in other places. And another thing, go to Richie Max, Zoom to Thailand, okay, and buy a consultation because he can give you the ins and outs on when you first get here to Thailand, what you should do. Then once you get here and you want to stay, then you contact Glass of Beer 1-2, and I can show you how to make some money to stay here. Okay? We got excellent service. Hey, you guys. It's a beautiful time to be in Thailand. It's a beautiful time to be investing in crypto, all right? Because it's a buyer's market now, all right? Well, before, when you guys could have caught that Bitcoin at 15, and I'm not giving you no old cryptocurrency, like they tell you, I bought crypto when it was 3,000. A lot of people didn't know about crypto when it was 3,000. So I'm telling you now to buy it now while it's 6. I told you guys to buy it when it was 16. Now it's 21. They could have made a gang of money. What happens if it goes down? All right, whatever it goes down, you don't need all the money you take. This is an investment. You dollar cost average. You ain't putting your money in crypto to take it all out at one time. You got to remember all the people that's invested in it now. You got BlackRock, you got major corporations, and the United States just bought a bunch of crypto. You got countries that's just dependent on crypto, El Salvador, and then they got Honduras. Come on, man. And Thailand is crypto friendly. I'm telling you, look, you either be with it or be without it. It's just like that marijuana thing. I don't let them bring it up because they don't want to talk about it. But if you go in any country in the European Union, you'll find a cannabis store. Now, Thailand's got cannabis.
Everywhere.
Okay? United States got cannabis. Listen to this. You don't want to be left out. It seems like that you're going to be living your life in the coulda, shoulda, woulda. Do you want to live your life that way? Tell me. Or you want to be here? My beautiful wife. Look, let me show my beautiful wife. Now you see my beautiful wife?
And drink.
Yeah, you see my beautiful wife right there.
Guys.
Okay. This, you know what I'm saying? You can't have a good wife without making no money. Ain't no problem gonna be with your broke. Ain't no problem gonna be with a broke man. Alright? Now, what I'm trying to tell you is sometimes we don't have 20 years. I mean, if I was 6 years old and I put $1 in the Ford Motor Company right now, I'd be rich. But we didn't have that. So I'm my channel, what Glass of Beer 1-2, when I talk, it's based off of getting that money right now. And then getting it now and then having something for the future. How long your future is? Like I'm counting backwards now, I'm 60. So now I only got, if I'm lucky, I only got 20 more. If I'm lucky, I only got this. I only got this. I only got that. You don't want to be that way. You don't want to go to sleep like Rip Van Winkle, wake up, and then everything that passed you by. Come on now. Get with it. You can do this shit right now. The links are down below. Get your own ramp. If you're looking at this in America, your own ramp. If you are any other somewhat country that Coinbase takes care of, get your own ramp. Your own and off ramp is the most important thing. Some places, like in Nigeria, your on and off ramp would be this itself. But a lot of places don't support it. Your on and off ramp. Like over in Thailand, they got ways, but they ain't trying to support it like that. Now I understand it, all right? Because Thai has been crypto friendly for the longest. So they got their own crypto exchanges set up. Coins.co.th. That's what we use out here. That's our on and off ramp. So hey, you guys. Money machine. This is crypto. I mean, I look. You see how long I've been in this. I got all these checks. Okay, glass of beer, 1, 2, with my beautiful wife holding the camera. Hey, you guys, we up, we in, we out of here.